Okay, so what we have here is XAUUSD, that is our gold. So yesterday we did analysis on gold. We talked about having a bullish move for today, which we actually did. Gold, dropped a little bit and eventually closed bullish for today. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. Now, to those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So before we place any trade, first thing we would want to know the trend for that movement or trade we would want to place. And we can see that gold is actually an uptrend move. Like they always say, the trend is your friend. Do not go ahead and trade against your trend. So all what we would want to do is just maybe wait for a setup, look for an opportunity to go ahead and take this buy. We would want to go long on gold, right? And we can also see that this gold is still trading above our 10 period simple moving average. It has not broken below it. It is still trading above it. So definitely this is still a bullish move. So yesterday, gold actually gave us a bullish move. Today, which is for the 24th, gold gave us a bullish move. So I strongly believe for the next, which is for the 25th, gold will also give us a bullish move. So for the next day, we expect gold give us a bullish move. So since gold is a volatile pair, I think we should be able to grab about, let's say, 100 to 200 pips within that range. Let's say maybe 100 pips, 120 pips, or 150 pips, or to the range of 200 pips. So we would still want to see gold give us a bullish move for the next day. Now let's see the 4 hour time frame. So see this movement on the 4 hour time frame like this as these huge highs. Then there is a pullback. We consider this pullback did not break this lows, right? So since pullback did not break these lows, then we expect a new highs to be made, and which is exactly what's playing out. So for the next day, we would expect this gold to actually take out this highs here that we consider that I have highlighted, and also know that this market has not yet closed. The market is yet to close. Maybe by the time this market close, gold should have break above this level, or maybe we are going to see that breakout tomorrow. It just depends on when you are watching it, by the way. So gold, we would still expect more impulse move. So this highs on the 4 hour time frame needs to be broken. So that means more bullish move is to come on our gold.